What if Ferrari built a car so exclusive that even having millions of dollars wouldn't be enough to buy one? No dealership, no waiting list, no online configurator, just one customer, one Ferrari, and one completely unique design. And now Ferrari has officially revealed it. This is the new Ferrari CZ26. At first glance, it almost looks like a Ferrari from another universe. The body is completely redesigned, with a low, wide silhouette, sharp horizontal lines, a dramatically shortened rear, and an integrated spoiler. The silver bodywork is finished with red accents and exposed carbon fiber elements, giving the CZ26 a look that's far more aggressive than the Ferrari it is based on. And that's where the story gets interesting. The CZ26 isn't a new mass-production Ferrari. It's a one-off created through Ferrari's exclusive Special Projects program for a private US client. In other words, this isn't something you can simply walk into a Ferrari dealership and order. The entire car was created around one customer's vision. Underneath that completely new body, Ferrari kept something much more familiar. The CZ26 is based on the SF90 Stradale and uses its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with 3 electric motors. Together, the plug-in hybrid system produces an astonishing 1,000 horsepower, or around 735 kilowatts. So despite looking completely different, this one-off still carries the serious performance hardware of one of Ferrari's most advanced road cars. But Ferrari didn't simply change the bodywork and call it a day. The engineers also reworked the car's cooling, airflow management, underbody, and aerodynamic surfaces. A redesigned diffuser was developed to generate additional downforce, while the new bodywork was engineered to work with the airflow rather than simply sit on top of the original platform. Even the lighting tells a different story. The front uses extremely slim daytime running light elements and a broad, dark visual treatment, while the rear features narrow horizontal lighting inspired by Ferrari's newest design language. The result is a Ferrari that looks familiar enough to recognize instantly, yet strange enough to make you wonder what you're actually looking at. Inside, Ferrari went even further. The cabin combines black functional fabric with carbon fiber and bespoke 3D printed seat inserts. It's not simply an SF90 interior with a different badge. The Special Projects philosophy means the customer gets something genuinely personal. And then comes the detail that makes the CZ26 truly fascinating. Ferrari hasn't revealed how much this one-off cost. The identity of the customer remains private, and there won't be another CZ26 sitting beside it on a showroom floor. This is essentially a Ferrari designed around one person. And that's what makes the Special Projects program so different. You're not just buying a Ferrari, you're commissioning Ferrari to create something that may never exist again. The CZ26 proves that Ferrari's idea of exclusivity has moved far beyond limited production numbers. Some Ferraris are rare because hundreds are built. Others are rare because only a handful exist. But the CZ26 belongs to the ultimate category. One Ferrari, one owner, one design. And once it's gone into private hands, that's it. The Ferrari CZ26 isn't the fastest Ferrari ever built, and it isn't a completely new mechanical platform. But it may be something even more difficult to achieve, a Ferrari that nobody else can have. And honestly, in a world where the richest collectors can buy almost anything, that might be the ultimate luxury. Because when Ferrari builds only one, you don't just own a Ferrari, you own the only one.